Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we will learn a service section by Elementor Free. Most WordPress service sections look flat, boring and expensive to build. But no worries. What if I tell you you can also create a professional service section with hover image effects? Let me show you exactly how. First, come to your WordPress dashboard and here you have to select pages and then add page. Now change the title to service section and click with this edit with Elementor. Alright, we are in our Elementor page. Now click on this page setting option, scroll down and choose the page layout from Elementor canvas. Here is our blank page. Now click on this plus icon and take a container first. Make it content wide to full wide and make it from percentage to pixel. We have to take 1200 pixel and then click plus icon again. We have to take another container and also this will be full wide and pixel. This will be 1100 pixel. Alright, in this second container we have to take another 3 inner containers. First add this and now duplicate this 2 times. 1 time and last time. Alright, now go to the second container again and here you can see the direction. Now make it to row horizontal. Okay, now it looks good here. Now move on to our first container, click on this plus icon and take a image with it. Now click add element and take header. Then we have to take the text editor for our description and then we need a button. Okay, now we have to select our first image, then choose our image option. Okay, this is my image and behind this we will add another image to our container. Go to the image container option and then select, then go to style and choose background type to classic. Here you can find the image, then click plus icon and choose the another image. Now select position and make it to the top center and the repeat will be no repeat. Then the display size, it will be contain. Now you can see the background image is behind your main image, but here we can see the corners. We have to hide it with our main image, so scroll up and select this advanced option and make the padding into 0. Okay, the background image is hide to our main image. Now come to our image section, go to the style and here we can see the opacity, make it to 1 and select hover. Here the opacity will be 0. Give this transition duration into 0.5 or 8. This will gives you a smooth transition like this. It's pretty cool, right? Okay, we are done here. Now come to this heading option and change the heading. Okay, now do some styling. Go to the style option, make it to the center and change the typography. I'm giving here Carla and the size will be 30 pixel. Okay, now we have to style our description. Select this and go to the style, select this typography here again and choose the font family to the Carla. Change the text color into black. In this description we have to take some padding. We have to give into the right to 10 pixel and left will also 10 pixel. Okay, it's good now. Now our final button section. Click on this and go to the style. Make it to the center and choose typography to Carla. Give it to 15 pixel. Here bottom you can see the padding option. Make it 20 for both. But we don't want top and bottom, so click on this links value together. It will separate the four side. Now from top we will change this into 10 and same also for bottom. Alright, it's good now. Now we take some margin over bottom. Go to the advanced, select this first and take 10 pixels from the bottom. Okay, now we have to take the box shadow. Select the container of image, then click on style. Scroll down, you can find the border, select this, and here is the box shadow. You have to just click this and reduce some box shadow. Okay, here is the shadow we can see. Now we will make some border radius in the bottom. Now select this first and from the bottom it will be like 10 or 20 pixel. Make some more, make it to 30. Alright, here we go. Now we just duplicate this 2 times, 1 time and 2 times, and delete the blank containers. Now just changes the image from the other 2 containers. Select this and okay, now changes the headings and description as well. Alright, we are done with the changes. Now click on publish and let's take a view. Here is our service section. Now make it mobile responsive. Select this mobile icon here and do the changes you need. Here everything looks good, and that's it. You just create a perfect service section for your website with a hover image effect. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel WPBravo. See you in the next one.